Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on gold, we are definitely still kind of respecting this 261.8. Could be an area of resistance for this wave 3. We possibly could start a wave 4 pullback. A wave 4 would be a correction to the whole wave 3. A wave 4 would also likely play out around the same time as it took this wave 2 to play out, which is around 10 trading days. So if it really is a wave four, it potentially would make probably a very overlapping pattern over the next like 2 weeks. Maybe look at something like this, and then maybe going back up again for a wave five. I still have a very hard time being bearish on gold because I mean there's a chance this just goes down and then just goes right back up. So there's really no actual proof that the wave three is over yet. Going down to about the 1 hour time frame. Now we do have a little bit of a double triple top right here. So the whole thing is though, this to me looks like three waves. This looks like an impulsive move. This could just be a wave A, this could just be a wave B. This potentially could either make a higher low and then just go up at a Fibonacci level, or it could go down and take out these lows, grab some liquidity, and then go up and continue the uptrend. So yes, it is going down right now, but I would still be very, very cautious in assuming that this is going to go down in a big, big way because it could either turn at a fib level, like the 78 or the 61%, and go back up, or it could go down and take out these lows, grab liquidity, and then turn back up in a big way. So overall, definitely still very bullish on gold. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.